Q1 is finally in the books, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how my investment with Betterment has performed as part of the Grow Your Dough Challenge with wealth hacker Jeff Rose. Hey, what's up? It's Justine with Debt Free Millennials, the channel for all things millennial, money, and debt-free living. If you want to learn how to live a debt-free life, stick around and subscribe to the channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about my $1,000 investment that I've been doing inside of Betterment. And I have to say, after the 3 months of doing this challenge, I am definitely a hands-off investor. I really do not spend every day looking at this portfolio. And I think that's the best part about Betterment is because they will automatically readjust your portfolio so that you can maximize your returns. Now, if this is your first time watching my Grow Your Dough Challenge series, I invite you to start with the January episode and then kind of work your way through to see exactly how it performed. But with that said, let's get some coffee, and I'm going to take you inside of my platform to show you exactly how I did. Okay, here is a look inside of the dashboard, and as of today, April 3rd, I am now at $1,129.40. So in total, I have earned $129.40 in Betterment just with my $1,000 initial investment. So I'm really happy about that. What's cool is I can go over to performance like usual and then see how I've been able to track this thing throughout the first quarter. And what? Okay, this changed since I looked at it yesterday as I was prepping this video, but my cumulative return is 12.4%. Holy wow, guys. This is amazing because you can see exactly how this has gone up and then slightly down, but then more up and then down. And I love that. Even though I took a dip slightly in the middle of March, we going back up. That's amazing. One thing that I wanted to point out here that I didn't really explain in the last video, I kind of explained the drift. So my drift is at 0.9%. And when I was looking into drift more, I learned that the investments using drift keeps you at the right level of risk that you intended. So my portfolio is set up to be in a more aggressive strategy. And that means I'm okay with more of the heavy upswings and downswings of the market. So drift actually helps rebalance your portfolio to keep the target weight of your portfolio to what you intended. So my portfolio, you can see, is made up of 90% stocks, and it says 91 stocks and 9 for bonds. And if your investments as the stock market levels rise and fall, if it ends up being more heavily weighted on the stocks or more heavily weighted on the bonds, it'll automatically readjust that so that you keep within that same strategy. And then the drift is 3%. And right now it tracks it for you. So minus 0.9%. If it gets to be more than 3% either way, then they'll automatically readjust. And then, I don't think I mentioned this last time, but my fund fees for the year is only 81 cents. And I love that too. That is so cheap. And I've actually had a few people sign up for Betterment with my link below, which means you get 90 days managed free and I get 30 days managed free. So that helps out even more. I love that about this program. And what I also love about Betterment is I'm invested in Vanguard. I love Vanguard. I'm all about the low-cost Vanguard funds that are available. And that's what makes Betterment easier to get into investing versus investing directly with Vanguard. So take a look at that. Okay, so there you have it. 90 days, I've earned roughly $129.40, which translates to $1.43 per day over the last 90 days. So I think this is a better use of my time because I don't have to spend any time on it. I can get back to doing the things I love, like making YouTube videos, and I'm making money. So passive income, it's great. If you would like to try Betterment, I mentioned you can get 90 days managed free. I get 30 days managed free. It's a win-win situation. I will drop my affiliate link below in the comments, and I will catch you in the next video as we track the Grow Your Dough challenge for the rest of this year.